So this is a review of the Trendy Apparel King's hat in black and yellow. What I like about this hat is that it is comfortable to wear. I love the black and yellow accents on it. And one of the things I like about this hat is it has a snapback feature where you can adjust your size to however liking you want it. So if you want it tight, you can have it tight too. And what I like about the snapback is that if you drive like in a windy condition, then you could if you have a snapback version of a hat like this, then it won't fly off on the road, and you could have it to how, like, you can have it from lights, you can have it from tightness, and you could adjust the size, which is something that I like, how compared to other hats where you cannot adjust the size. This one, what I like is that you could adjust it. Overall, I would highly recommend this hat. It is black and yellow, and it gives tons of compliments and attention. And overall, I would highly recommend this hat. If you are looking for a hat that stands out from the crowd, then this is probably one of the best hats that you could get.